Hi everybody, this is John Jeffrey with the Alpine Art Co. here in Alaska. Today I'm going to show you how to draw a book. I'm going to show you how to draw it so that it really has a cool 3D effect and pops off of the page. Grab yourselves a piece of paper, a pen, pencil, or marker. Let's get started. For step one, we're going to warm up with some rectangles. We're going to be drawing some shapes that look something like the front of this book here, a tall square. Let me show you how. Two straight lines and two more straight lines. Great, let's try another one. This is also a rectangle. Nice straight sides and sharp corners. This one's been tipped vertically. Let's draw some more. If you'd like to challenge yourself, draw one at an angle. Excellent. The next part of our warm-up, we're going to be drawing the same rectangle right below another. Let me show you on the first one. I'm going to try to draw this exact same rectangle behind it. Here we go. Using those same size edges, nice, sharp, tight lines. Let's try another one. Okay, that one looks pretty good. Great. Maybe we could do one more. I hope this isn't too frustrating. If you need to take a break and pause the video to practice, now would be a good time. This is going to get really tricky today. Let's finish drawing the rest of the shapes behind the others. The diagonal ones are especially tricky. I'm going to take my time with these. Got it. All right, let's move on to the next step. For this part of the art lesson, we're going to learn how to draw a cube. This is a 3D box. Let me show you a cube. It's got a square on the front, the square behind it, but now we're going to connect these two flat pieces together with some lines. Here's one line across the top and in the corner. I've connected those three edges together. If I erase the extra lines, now we have a cube. Let's draw one together. Start with the square. Draw a box behind it. The same size and shape. And connect some of the edges together. Here's one, two, and three. We can also do this with a rectangle. Draw my rectangle first. Draw the exact same rectangle behind it. Connect the edges. And if you want, you can erase the lines. When you get confident with this, you can start drawing shapes all at once without having to erase. I'll draw the rectangle first. And then I'll think about where the box is behind it. And I'll draw the smaller lines first. 1, 2, 3. Then I can draw the back side of the cube. This is really tricky stuff. Okay, let's move on to the next step. We're ready to draw our first book. Let's draw the rectangle for the front of the book first. There's the front of the book. Now I'm going to do my diagonal lines. This book is medium thickness, so I'll do medium-sized lines. 1, 2, 3. Draw the back side of the book, the exact same size. Great. Now we have this part of the edge here where the book folds. If we put a small line here, it looks like the edge of the book. But we could also put some pages in the middle. Cool. Let's put a lightning bolt on the front. Awesome. Let's take this same book and make it a little more exciting. Let's try it. To make this drawing of a book really your own, you need the ability to draw the book from any angle, no matter what, so that it can match the rest of your artwork. Let's try drawing a couple of rectangles. Here's one straight up and down. Let's draw one on the side. One at an angle. And one at the other angle. Now let's turn these all into cubes. Let's start with this one. We've learned to go up on the sides and across the back. Let's do that again with this one lying down. Up on the sides and across. These are going to be trickier because I'm going to draw below. Instead of going up and to the right, I'm going to go down. So I'm going to go straight down on the edges and then follow those lines across. That's very tricky. Let's do it again on this side. Straight down on the edges and then across. The second rectangle is underneath. It's just hidden by that top rectangle. Let's use this technique and draw some books. Okay, now you're a book drawing professional. Let's draw a bunch of rectangles and turn them into books. 1, 2, 3, lots of books. Let's turn them into cubes next. This one, I'm going to draw the rectangle behind it going a different direction, going this way. I could draw this one going another direction. Let's draw this one going out this way. And the last one coming straight up like that. Okay? Maybe draw the spines if you'd like. And maybe some glue where they glued the pages in. As a last touch, you could draw the pages if you'd like, or you could get really tricky and draw the back side of the book where it meets the pages. I'm going to draw it up here. Just a thin black line right here. How's that look? Let's try it down here. All right, my name's John Jeffrey. Thanks for tuning in today. This is the Alpine Art Go. Have a great day.